What's up, dudes? Let's go ahead and get right into it because I seriously hate when people make you wait. So let's get the comments. Unique comments 269. Who's gonna be the winner in 3, 2. Winner Chris S. Loving the content. Keep it rolling. Peace. Well, peace to you, Chris. You just won from Newbeedrone. Hit me up at this email address so Newbeedrone can get you your motors. Thank you everybody for participating in this, and thank you for watching my videos. And there is going to be another giveaway at some point, I'm sure, as I have a lot of items coming in. Join my Patreon if you want regular giveaways twice a month. So yep, that's it. Thank you guys. Peace. See you on the next one.